Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to the PlannerShop channel. Today, I'm going to share with you all the items in the cloth and paper November intention box. I'll give you some ideas on usage, we'll go over their details, and I'm sure some hacks along the way. So the theme for November is prep routine. And as usual, in our November box, we're getting a wonderful 2026 planner. So there are some changes this year over the ones that we have received in the past. Cloth and Paper took feedback from the last few and incorporated some changes, and I think the changes are ones that you'll really enjoy. So you'll notice that the spiral is a little bit bigger this year, and that's to accommodate some additional items, which is exciting. Got a nice cover with the 2026 in white, and then we go into the yearly portion of the planner. This belongs to, I know we all get uptight about this. And what's been working for me lately is using a sticker there. I have a sticker with my name, and then I don't have to worry about, did I mess up on? You will notice that the paper is more of a creamy tone. I know some people were worried about it not being the bright white, but it's just the same color as in the 365 notebook that we got recently. A very pale, pale cream. So you start off, you've got your year at a glance, very easy to read the way it's laid out. And also the nice thing about the way it's laid out is there's a lot of space on it, so that if you want to mark off certain days, highlighting birthdays or other things, you have plenty of room to do that with some dots especially. You've got your holidays, conversions, and then we move into the months. So the first month being January, you're going to have the 2-page layout of your monthly calendar, followed by 2 notes pages, and then we go right into the weeks. And the weeks are the same as they were before in the horizontal layout, where you have Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday, room for lists over here. And this format will follow through all the way through. At the end of the planner, in December of 2026, we've got some note pages and then an area for contacts. It's definitely nice having all the extra notes pages that are in here. Brand new this year, we got some notes pages that you can put in wherever you would like to use them that match. I'm thinking that there will be extras of these that you can acquire later if you need them. New this year, we have some dashboards. This is called the Letters Dashboard Duo, and you can obviously put it right in the front where I think it does look really nice, but you can also put it anywhere you would like. And you could even separate them. You probably won't want to separate them because the little cutouts, you have got the J for January, February, March, etc. So it's very intentional the way it is set up. Also really nice this year, we get a set of monthly dashboard overlays. And you'll see here, this would be the beginning of January. And this overlay, which is very, very thin, so you've got that it's January. And the nice thing about this is labeled 2026 here, but these are not dated by the year, so you'll be able to pull these out and use them again next year. Very nice. A couple of comments. This planner is a Monday start, thank goodness. I only like Monday starts. So that your weeks start that way and also your month. And the way the squares are laid out, it takes complete advantage of the page, better than has been done in the past, which is good if you are going to use some page flags in there or just giving you a little bit more room to write. The square page flag set that comes with this box is really, really nice. So you've got a black matte, and then you've got 2 transparent. And if you pull them off this way, they will stick more times could see if you wanted to use that there. The one on the right is clearly my favorite, and it follows along with this letters theme, and it's a kind of a metallic silvery, really, really nice. And to go with that, we got matching bar stickers called metallic footnotes, and there are 3 pages of these, and these will be great here with this planner and also anywhere else as deco to divide things up on a page. Just great. So my absolute favorite thing going along with the letters theme, this is the magnetic eclipse bookmark, and it's in book cloth. It is textured and it really works well. Clip things on or however you like to use it. I like to use the eclipse as deco in the front of my planner in a planner pocket. For example, here, I have this one, and it helps the journal cards from sliding around, and I also love the way it looks, and I have this in most of my planners. With the holidays coming, it was great to get these gift tags. I like these better than the ones we got last year, and I definitely will be using those. I was really happy with the journal cards, and I wanted to talk about that. Sometimes the design has led to having most of the text at the bottom of the page, and then when you stick them in the pocket, you're not going to see that as well. It's fine if you're clipping it somewhere. But what I like about these, you'd be able to put this inside a pocket and be able to see the top portion. Obviously, I'd have to move some other things around. And the calendar card, perfect, because you can get it in the pocket and leave it so that you can see the month. I love this. So even with all of that, we still got another notebook. This one is called the inverted graph, and that's because it's with the blackout paper. Really, really nice paper. And so that we could use it well, we got 2 pens. And one of them, of course, is with the white ink, which will be able to help us write here and also on these square page flags. The second pen we got is a zebra. Thank you very much. I love zebra. And this is a very slim 0.5 nib in silver metallic, and it's the CJJ5 zebra. Very classy, will go with anything. What's nice about it is it's very slim, so it can go many places. And the nice thing about the spiral is that you can clip a pen through there. So it's not going to stick out. You don't have to add a whole pen loop. And you can have more than one pen with this planner because the spiral is so large. What are your favorites in this box? Of course, there's a giveaway, and this one is a holiday giveaway. This giveaway runs till the end of December. On any November and December video, all you have to do is like the video, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, leave a comment below, and be sure you're signed up for my email list. I announce the winners in my newsletter. If you haven't signed up for the email list, there's a link below in the description box and always on my Instagram. And my cloth and paper code is always updated in the description box and on my Instagram. If you're signing up for the newsletter for the first time, be sure when you get an email back that you confirm. You will be able to enter this once on every November and December video, and there are lots coming forward. The winner of this giveaway will be receiving a nice holiday bonus of items. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.